Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you some exciting thing. I mean, basically some tip and tricks about edges. How to just extract edges from your key or any alpha mat. Okay, so let's start our video. And before starting this video, as I say to everyone, Jai Sianam, Jai Bhelo, Bajrangbali. Now, so let's see this shot. So I take this shot, and just for rough purpose, I am taking a primer here. And now, what I'll do, I just auto complete this for now, and I just take this dim BG noise, and for this I'm just doing this for rough purpose. So basically I got this mat. Okay, now how to extract the edges, only the edges, because many guys are find I mean many guys are try to find the edges because for edge blending. Okay, so how to just fix the edges. Okay, how I extract the edges, right? So first one tricks is, for example, I have this mat, right? After this mat, what I will do, I will take here erode filter. Now just connect this node here and connect to a mat and just give it -1 or -2. First I am giving -1. Okay, so it's just expanding, right, the mat. Now I will take a merge and a pipe to my filter, and a pipe will be in my erode and b pipe in my primer, my mat. Okay, now give this over to difference. See, I am getting the X, right? Only the edges is alpha, but obviously you can use a grade here after the, or also you can use, don't use here, use here. Okay, you can just use this value, hide this value. Okay, as your requirements. See, as per your requirements you guys can use this. Okay, but I'm taking a grade here, and after grade I'm just giving it to alpha and just minus white point, right? After white point, now what will happen, for example, if you guys just try to blend some edges or try to just do some edge correction, just keep a grade for now. Okay, and see how I'll do. See, if I put this gain up, see, it's blending, right? For example, I'm doing some color grading, right? See, it's just giving the edges color, right? See, okay, see, any color you can give it to edges, right? See, and you guys can just make it more higher. Okay, but note one thing, it will be outside. Okay, outside edges, not an inside. Okay, it will be a outside edges, so maintain that thing. Okay, and this will be a controller for hard and soft edges, right? So it is for witness basically, and it is for your hardness, right? In this way you can extract the edges fast. This is a fast technique for the edge blending. Okay, edge extracting. And second technique is, and obviously yes, you guys can just do a rough mask. Okay, to take some particular area. And the second part is, take the same, copy the same process, and what will do, I just take here multiply node here and connect to my filter node and just give this mask to mask. After then I just put this value none, 0. Now same thing, I will take a grade here, right, white point minus, and now I can take this grade, for example, and same I will do this, right? See, same thing will happen. So by this way I am taking edge, I just extracting the edges. Okay, in this way you guys can just fix the edges, right? This, see, so this will be a helpful tip and tricks for those guys who doesn't use third-party plugins. Okay, there is some third-party plugins, and also there is some operation of there is some tip and tricks also, other tip and tricks, but in this way you guys can control the edges more better. Okay, and this is a tip and tricks to extract the edges from your shot. You guys can do in this key, in not only prime mat, you guys can use your soft mat, your hard mat, your roto also. Okay, any kind of alpha or mat. Okay, you guys can use this, right? In key, during comp, you guys, if you guys just want to blend edges only, then you guys can extract the edges. Yes, what else have to do, just maintain one thing, that you have to do a roto here. Just extract the roto. For example, if I take a roto here, I just need to do some roto. See, just take a here roto, and right, and take a merge here, a pipe in my merge and b pipe in my alpha, and just mask it here, right? This. Okay, right, this you have to use, then only it will work in the particular area. See, right? So these are tip and tricks, same goes to this. So I hope you guys find this very cool, okay, and it is helpful for those guys who want to fix the edges and want to extract the edges. These are extraordinary technique, I mean unique technique, okay. So extra technique for you guys. So I hope this will be helpful for you, okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please keep following this channel. And before ending this video, as I say to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Mera.